We're all about simple size here at Kitchen Dads. You want to get a meal on the table, but you want it to be good, but it has to be easy. This is really easy. Take your favorite mushrooms. They can be button mushrooms, cremini, portobello. These are just white. Now you can cut these up. I was at the store, they were on sale. I'll let them do the work for me. You're gonna cut them in about a quarter thickness, okay? This is about 1.5 pounds. We are gonna take 3 or 4 tablespoons of olive oil, depending again on how many mushrooms that you have. We have 1/4 cup lemon juice. Sounds like a lot, but it actually goes good against the herbs and some of the other things we put in here. So here's my tip on this lemon juice. 1/4 cup is a lot. If you like squeezing lemons, great. Here's my secret recipe. You can get pre-squeezed lemon. Now don't buy concentrate. You have to look, and you want the one that says not from concentrate on it. And if you can get the one that says non-GMO, that's even better, right? I know it's not exactly fresh squeezed lemon, but this will save you a lot of time. We have 3 to 5 cloves of garlic chopped roughly. I like garlic, so I put 5 in. If you're not so much of a garlic fan, don't put it in. If you don't have fresh garlic, and you should have fresh garlic, but if you don't have fresh garlic, do some garlic powder, right? Now, this is 3 tablespoons of herb de Provence. If you don't have that, some thyme or some rosemary or whatever herb you like, just put it in, all right? And so we're gonna put this in. I like to crush it up a little bit as we go. All right? And then we're gonna just mix this up. Let's move this over here. We're gonna mix this up. I'm gonna try to get every mushroom with a little bit of olive oil, a little bit of the herbs. This smells wonderful right now. All right, we have a pre-oiled sheet pan. You just hit it with some spray or throw a little oil on it with a paper towel, right? And then we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna just put them on our sheet. We're gonna spread these things out. Best way to do it is shake a little bit. All right, we want the mushrooms not to be on top of each other. Now, most important step, fresh Parmesan. Said this before in other recipes. If you can afford it and it's available, go get a block of fresh Parmesan. It lasts for a long time. It tastes way better. You can grate it on your dishes as you want. If you have just a Parmesan in a can, hey, that's fine too. Cook with what you got. I'm not gonna measure this out because I don't know how much it really is. I like Parmesan, so I'm putting a nice little coating on it. It looks like it's snowed Parmesan on the mushrooms. That's it. $3.75 for 12 to 15 minutes, depending on how thick your mushrooms are. Check in about 12 minutes, eat one. If it's done, you're good. If not, cook it for a few more minutes. I'm gonna put this oven and I will be right back. So you can see how much the mushrooms have reduced. We've cooked some of the liquid out of them. There's also absorbed the flavors of the cheese and the olive oil and the garlic. So if you are serving a bunch of people, this is probably enough for 2, maybe 3 if you're having a bunch. If you serve this maybe with some rice cauliflower or a piece of meat, I would say probably enough for 2 people. So let's go ahead and plate this. I wish we had smell-o-vision because this just smells so good. What I love is the chunks of garlic that I get and the herbs with the mushroom flavor. All right, so now we're gonna give it the finishing touches. We are gonna hit this with some more Parmesan. Yes, more Parmesan. Well, you want the cooked component of the cheese, and then you want the fresh component of the cheese. And then we want to do some chives to make it look nice. If you don't have chives, parsley, anything, any kind of green herb. All right, let's sprinkle some of those on there. And there you have it. But you know what? I know I said 2, I'm not sharing. This is mine. You go make your own.